how to show and hide avatar stickers on app screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on advanced features. After click on advanced features, scroll down and click on Galaxy Avatar and click on Avatar sticker. Click on this three dot icon and click on settings. So now in Avatar sticker settings, so you will see show Avatar sticker on app screen is here. So if you want to enable, if you want to show Avatar sticker on app screen, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see avatar sticker on app screen is show. If you want to hide avatar sticker on app screen, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see avatar sticker on app screen is hide. So you will show and hide avatar sticker on app screen from here. After the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can show and hide avatar stickers on app screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.